Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Original itech. So in this video I will show how to restore or recover deleted call history or recover a deleted number or delete number recovery. So let's see how to do that. I will show some steps. You can follow all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video, and please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel Original itech. So first of all, open your Google Play Store. So in this here I can type or write call log backup and restore. Scroll down, you can see call log backup and restore. Open this app. After install this app, after open it, you can see call logs backup, restore and export your call history. So choose and open. In this here, click on it. So in this you can easily recover or restore your lost or delete call history or recover restore your deleted number. So let's see. After that, scroll down, you can see filters. So click here filters. After that, choose allow. Again choose allow. Scroll down, you can see call type: incoming, outgoing, missed, rejected, blocked, voicemail. Scroll down. After the data range: today, yesterday, last 7 days, last 30 days. So in this time I can choose and select your need option. I can choose last 7 days. Click on it. Scroll down, you can see duration, short calls, medium calls, long calls, all durations. So in this I can choose all durations. After that, you can see export as PDF, export as CSV, export as JSON. So in this I can choose and select export as PDF. Click on it. Call logs PDF columns. After you can see name, number, date, duration, type, SIM. After that, choose export PDF. In this here I can see my delete or lost deleted number. So in this time I can easily recover or restore my all deleted call history or recover or restore deleted number. So in this way you can easily recover or restore your deleted call history or recover your deleted call logs or delete number recovery or deleted call history recovery. So thank you very much, and please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Original itech.